April 14, 2025, and this is gonna be day 208 day of consistently helping people build consistency. One of the best way on how you can actually be consistent at doing something positive like exercising, studying, or literally anything positive is to basically just create a new private account. Okay, basically just create a new private account. And the sole purpose of this new account, this new private account, is to basically just document yourself, right? Document yourself doing your thing, doing your exercise, or maybe like doing your, doing your studying and so on and so on. So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is that not only that we create this new private account, we are also going to be letting the people that actually care about us to watch this account, right? To know about this account, right? Allow them to watch ourselves, document our journey, right? So maybe I've got this, like I got this one really supportive friends, two friends of mine, okay, two really supportive friends of mine, and I just tell them that, hey, you know what? I've been struggling with, like consistently exercising, and I just want to exercise consistently. And hey, I'm going to be really happy if you guys wanted to, look at me on my private account. So basically, we are letting the people that actually care about us to watch ourselves do the thing that we actually know we should be doing, right? Basically that simple. So why is this method effective? Why it's effective, right? Basically some reasons. The first reason is that because when we just tell people that, hey, you know what? I've been struggling with, doing some positive thing, and I want you guys to watch me document myself doing those things. I want you guys to be in my journey, like at least, watch my journey, maybe like support my journey, be there for me, right? We are going to be giving people expectation, right? The expectation that, hey, I'm gonna be trying to be consistent on doing this thing. And since they're the person that actually care about us, they also have the expectation that, hey, you know what? I want to see you be consistent at doing this thing. So basically, there's some stake in this, right? We don't want to disappoint our friends, and our friends want to see us grow. Our friends want to see us actually do the thing consistently, right? So basically, this is going to create the new motivation and extra motivation to actually still do the thing, right? Extra new motivation. So even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to actually do the thing, big chances we are still going to be doing it anyway because, hey, you know what? I've got people supporting me right now. I don't want to disappoint them. I want them to see me actually be consistent and be healthy and actually maybe like lose some weight and actually like be the best version of myself, right? So yeah, basically you just don't want to go to your friends, tell that, hey, you know what? I've created a new private account solely to document my consistency journey because I think, exercising is really important for me. I really want to be healthy, blah, 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 blah. Explain it all to your friends, and your friends all are already hyped up. But then like 2 weeks later, you just say to them that, hey, you know what? I'm lazy. I don't want to do this thing anymore. We don't want that to happen, right? So basically, that's why creating a new private account solely to document your journey is going to be effective because it's going to create a healthy, a healthy support system, right? And then the second reason why it's effective, right, is that because we can actually see how we progress, right? How we progress. We can see our progress on day 1, on day 7, on day 14, and we can go scroll back, right? And just basically watch. Oh yeah, I've come so far. I've gone so far, right? I don't want to stop here. I want to continue because I want to make my, past self proud. I want to make my future self proud, right? Basically, that's the second reason why this method is effective. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also join our Discord, link on the description. You can also support my work on Gumroad by buying me a coffee, right? And yeah, thank you for watching. And for today's date, authenticity post, today's memes are post today, reject modernity post last 24 hours. This is April 14th.